We look directly down on a 3D world. A forest has been created consisting of 25 acres, each containing 2 trees. A single squirrel is being manually directed. However, there's a problem with the control axis. Sorry, squirrel. Let's correct the X, Y, and Z axis and try again. Right through the trees. Sorry, squirrel. Sorry, squirrels. Sorry, little squirrels. The squirrels and trees will need adjusted. The trees should instead be static bodies, and with much higher mass. The squirrels all fall to the ground, and then roll like heavy logs. Ouch! Sorry, squirrels. Sorry, little buddies. A better collision shape might make our squirrels more stable. The collision shape of each squirrel needs change from cylinder. Sorry, my friends. Sorry, cuddly dead squirrels.